guys, it's Molly. I am going to be doing a 3 foot by 3 foot ocean piece tonight using the blow dryer, and I'll talk about it as I go. There'll probably be music part of the way through because I'm going to be working a lot with the blow dryer and just to speed things up for you guys. So I am ready to get started. I have all my paints mixed up. I mixed up a bunch of paint. I'm sure I'll use it all. I did one of these a while back that I called Coral Reef, and I put some yellow and some kind of magenta in there, and some people said, oh, I liked it just blue, so that's what I'm doing tonight. All right, so I'm gonna get you down on the canvas and we'll get started. All right, hey guys, I am 1, feeling better, and 2, I'm working on a 3 foot by 3 foot canvas. I had done one of these a little while ago. I called it Coral Reef because I was adding some oranges and some yellows, and a lot of people said, oh man, I really like that in blue. And to be honest, I love it the way it is now, but I really did like it in blue. So, okay, maybe I'm not all the way better, excuse me. But I wanted to do it. I have a little bit of gold to add in, but that's it. The rest are blues, aquas, and greens. So I'm thinking I'm gonna patchwork it this time. So have like a green puddle here, a blue puddle here, you know, a phthalo blue, a paynes gray, and then kind of work the design all the way through it. So I don't know, I'm just gonna start and see where I end up. Because it'll be a blow dryer the entire time, I think I'm gonna turn on some easy listening, and hope you guys can see it, hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so I have my base layer on here, and so now I'm going to, oh, I got paint all over me. Now I'm gonna add in to the different parts the paint. So I painted my edges first because when I work with thin paint, I like the color underneath, and then I like the color to kind of run off on there. Let me see, I'm almost out of phthalo blue, actually. but I kind of want it kind of juxtaposition over there. Maybe just a little bit right down there. That should be enough. There's a big space of phthalo blue there. Okay, and then when I put this white on, it's really going to light this up. And then I'm just going to work with each part separately so that they kind of look cohesive, but okay. I saved a little bit of aqua because I wanted some of the aqua to flow in each part and kind of hold it together, kind of make it cohesive. Got a little booger. And this phthalo green, I don't want too much of it. I don't want it to read green. Okay, now I think I'm gonna put the white, but just a little bit. And then I'll add my gold. I don't want the white to kind of muddy, like to make everything lighter. So I might do this part in layers. All right, here comes the blow dryer. Okay, so there's all those cells and lacing that just came from the paints kind of intertwining. There's just the little pops of gold, little dark pops up there. Oh, I love that. And I love that. I really, really like it. 3 foot by 3 foot piece. You guys let me know what you think. All right, you guys, thanks for hanging out with me. See you next time. Happy painting.